Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your phone to Samsung Smart TV. How you can cast or mirror your phone display to your Smart TV. Watch the video complete, don't skip any part, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Guys, you are watching that I'm casting my phone screen to my TV screen. Now I'll show how to do this. Open Play Store on your Android phone and search for TV Smart View Video and TV Cast app. Download this app. I have already downloaded it to save the time. Now go to the TV screen and press source button on remote to select screen mirroring option. When you press or enter here, it will show ready for connection with TV name and model. Now open the installed app. It may show some ads but ignore them. Now click on start. On the next screen there are some instructions like your phone and TV should be on the same Wi-Fi network, enable mirrorcast or screen share on your phone. Now press the select TV button and wait. On the next screen click on three dots on the top right corner and select enable wireless display. It will show your TV name here. Select it and wait. Your TV screen will show a connecting message. After a few seconds, it will show connected. Now see your phone's display on your Samsung Smart TV. To see full screen video, just rotate your phone and the TV display will be in full screen. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.